Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply for a Germany transit visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk, and my intention is just to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, first of all, before you apply for a transit visa, you need to understand whether you need it or not. Okay. So this is a visa navigator wizard that's gonna tell you if you really need it or not. But in our case, we know that what visa we need, so that's why we'll go for it. Straight away we'll go for that. But it's always good that you check it first, and then you can proceed. Alright, so the visa application form has opened. So the process remains the same that I have showed you in other videos as well, that you have 3, 4, 5 tabs, okay, that you're gonna fill up. Personal information, name, date of birth, place of birth, country, marital status, current nationality, original nationality if different, and some fields are not mandatory, some fields are mandatory. And if you want to exercise your right of freedom, so if you fall under this category, you can click check yes. Then your occupation details that you are going to provide, contact information, applicant's address, then documents, identification, travel document, passport, okay, biometric data. If you have ever given your fingerprint biometrics previously for the purpose of applying for a Schengen visa, because this is a Schengen country. Travel data, this is very important, where you're gonna stay. So for example, you're applying for airport transit visa, you're gonna select this, and let's say you are passing through Germany and then going out of it. But again, you need to first check if you need this visa or not, because I know in many cases when I was a PR of Canada, I had traveled between Canada and India through via Germany, Munich, and I did not have to go for any transit visa, so I could have gone straight away. Same thing I did with Switzerland as well. It's very simple it was. Main travel destination, you can do it based on your case. So Germany, number of entries required, I select whatever is applicable in your case. Entry permit for final country of destination, type of entry permit, final country of destination, let's say you are going to Argentina, okay. Reference, type of reference, inviting person, hotel. So based on your case you are gonna put it. So once you do it, like once you save the form, every tab is gonna turn into green, okay. Then that means it is there. Then you can submit it, and then you can download its version. Then based on your location you are gonna apply. So that's what I am gonna show you, that suppose you are applying from India, how would you do it. So now I have opened this VFS site in India for Germany. So like it is outsourced to VFS, so from here you can apply. So we'll go for start now. So we know the visa type, right, that we are gonna apply, and first which visa type that we know, and you need to click on the location to know about the document that you will have to submit. So based on your state you can select where you are going to apply. These are the locations, okay. So for example, if you are applying from Kolkata, we can check this. Begin your application. You can yeah, same thing that we have already gone through, as I said. Fine. Okay, so short term visa, airport transit, you have it over here. Airport transit visa fee, you see, again €80. Wow. Documents required, photo specifications we have, processing time we have, download forms, okay, form filling guide, online application form, annexure, authorization for submission, declaration of travel essentials for longer validity. Okay, let's go for document required. Airport transit, and this is updated in Jan 2022, so it's very new. Valid passport, application form and declaration, 1 copy of passport data page, copy of valid visa, residence of your final destination, flight reservation. And if you are applying from India, there are certain exceptions. Indian nationals holding a valid visa or residence permit for a member state of Schengen area or Bulgaria, Romania, Croatia, Ireland, UK, Canada, Japan, USA, except for US, except for this US document, you can pass through without transit visa. And that is why when I traveled back in few years back, so because I held the valid permanent residence of Canada, I was not asked to provide transit visa. Even for these countries you can go diplomatic passport holders. Generally you do not require transit visa. Okay, so not much you gotta apply. Okay, so form we have already gone through, document checklist we have already gone through. So the next process is like you gotta book an appointment where there you're gonna submit this, sign and submit, and then if it is granted, you'll be all good to go. So that's how simple it is, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.